What do you want to do?
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning.
Logan, please sit down.
Hi,
Is
Snake.
there a snake in the house? Hey, Zeke.
Oh, nice, thanks.
Baby brother.
This is your baby brother.
Whoa.
You see Logan's awesome haircut? Logan, is mommy a bad mommy?
Not bad mommy.
I'm not a
Say,
bad mommy.
Bad mommy.
I just won't cut your hair anymore, okay?
No more daddy. Bad mommy. Mommy. Mom, Jojo.
Say, mommy, don't cut my hair anymore.
No more.
Okay, I hear ya.
Do you still love your mommy? Logan.